camera. It's been ages since I've been at my desk with you, isn't it? I'm still struggling with this camera and I need to get a new one, which might happen today, which would be exciting if it did. What else is news? I'm going to vlog for you today. This is going to be exciting. There's so much going on and I shall tell you as we start the journey. Hello Lewis!
Wagwan.
Go on then, tell the people what's going on.
We have got some compressed air to hopefully sort the microphone out on the phone. It's a bit knackered apparently.
It does, they know it, they've been suffering it for a while. So Lewis is clever at these things. We got it in the pound shop, didn't we?
Yes, air duster.
So in case your microphone isn't working, and this is a test. So how'd your test go? Testing, 1, 2.
Wagwan.
Mike, this one?
Yeah.
Right, we've done it, so we're testing it. Well, you can see all the mess behind it. Okay then, so we are testing out the microphone, Nana, as we are also checking all your observations.
Right,
oh yes, you can't speak, can you? Because we're trying to do your thing. Well, certainly could be worse. Every time you move it, it changes, so please don't. Thank you. Yeah. What's this going to be, do you think? Testing, 1, 2, 3, microphone.
You know this is singing, didn't you?
A bit weird. Okay. Who's that singing?
No, the other one is on Alexander, the YouTube.
Another water, right. Okay, so we're here with Jasmine. Hello. She's just met us for lunch. Hey, Mum. And it's really filthy. Very nice. So, luckily for me, today I'm taking the Aldi out for a spin, which is lovely. And it's quite actually nice to get out from Mum's house because we're having a bit of a struggle there. In case you don't know... Oh, sorry, didn't realise it was there. In case you don't know, we've sold Mum's house, which is obviously good news. However, if you was to see the amount of collectible things that Mum and Dad collected over the years, we need to start packing up and selling some stuff really. But I haven't got the time to sell it this year, it's going to have to be next year. So we're going to put some stuff into storage when she's moved and all that. So, and I'm struggling because I can't lift things because of my back, so that's a bit pants. I'm just coming to pick Jasmine up from work anyhow. Don't know what I'd do without this little Harley. What would I do without you, eh? Come here. So I'm having a little rest. So I'm feeling rubbish. I'm a bit ratty.
I'm going to.
Jasmine and Lewis, hello.
Wagwans.
Where are we?
On a motorway, A road actually.
So we're on a motorway. Oh, it's a nice empty motorway.